So hello everyone, welcome back to Algo Daily. In this particular video, we are discussing LeetCode daily problem, minimum length of string after operations. So in this problem, we have to given a string s and we have to perform following process or following operations in our string, and after string we have to calculate their minimum string after operations. Okay, and in this problem we have given three operations or three number of processes, and now let's discuss these processes. So in this problem we have to given a choose index I, and we have to string such that there is at least one character of their left index of I, and this is equal to s of I, and after and all we have there at least one character in their right side of s of I. Now this is saying like uh, for let's suppose these values, for this value we have their left side and this side is our right side, and after this we have to given a operations. For one is our delete operation for closest character of their left, and next we have their delete from closest character of the right, and after this operation, these operations we have to return their minimum length of their final string. So now let's discuss their example test case for better understanding. So first uh, first let's assume or let's explain their problem statement for straightforward. So in this problem we have given a index we have given a index I, and after this we have to uh, index of I, we have given their left value and right value. Okay, and after this we have to remove two characters from their closest of I, this is L side, and this closest of R, their right side. Okay, so these are our operations we have to perform, and after this we have to repeat this operation until no such index of I is exist. Okay, so now their key observations. So our key observations are like you can only remove characters in pairs. Okay, only pairs around a given index. Okay, and second observation is if a character becomes isolated, like if isolated means isolated isolated means we have no matching character, no matching no matching character exist no matching character exists to its left or right side. Okay, and one thing is we have given here their third observation: the process stops when no more valid index of I is exist and satisfy their conditions. So these are three observations. This is our index, and now let's discuss their example test case for better understanding. So in this example, first we have given a b a c b c b b. Okay, so now we have to process by step. So first we have initially this string, and let we have to choose index number 2. Index number 2 is zero based indexing, using zero based indexing, and s of 2 is equal to a, and so now their closest of a in left side, and in their left side of index of 0, like here we are present here this a value, and this closest of left is this one of 0 index, and their closest of right side is their next index, like their s of 3. Okay, index number 3. So after remove their index 0 comma 3, we have to we have getting our new string is b a c b c b v. Okay, so this is our new string, and after these operations we have to perform our in their new string, and now we have calculate with one second, we have to calculate with this one, one second, this one. Okay, so now we have to choose index of 0 1 2 3 4 5 6. Okay, and now we have to remove with s of 3. Okay, s of 3, the closest of uh, b. Okay, the closest of b we have to remove here. Okay, the closest of b in left side is this one, and the closest of this is left side, and this right side is this one. Okay, so now after remove this index 0 comma index number 5, so our new string is a c b. Okay, one second, c b, one second, a c a c. Okay, A, C, B, C, B, because of this one. This is present on our index values all time. Okay, so we have to remove with their right and their left side. Okay, so this is our new string, and after this one we have here this C and B. We have no any operations on perform on this new string because of there is no right side and there is no left side. Okay, there is left side but not right side. Okay, and so our this is our new string and this length is 5. Okay, so this is our answer. And in next case we have here a and a. This a is no index of I satisfy the condition because of there is no character has matching character on their both sides. Like let's suppose we have to take this is our 0, this is our index value. If suppose there is one more value, okay, there is one more value, then we can perform an operation for their visualization. Okay, so now let's discuss their code implementation. And so this is the simple code we use here. One second. So now let's discuss line by line. So in this problem we have a function, minimum length function. So this minimum length function, and after this we have to calculate their size here, and we have a map for iterate and to store their frequency for each character. This is frequency map, and the here is key is a character from their string. This key is a character from string, and this value is our number of times the character appears. Okay, and this for loop for iterate over each character in string, and this range is 0 to n minus 1. Okay, and these are following our characters and iterating all over the character. And here is our count variable. This count will accumulate the final length of their string and based on their frequencies. And after this we have their this. So we have here is one for loop for iterate over a key value pair, and we have a map for range. Okay, and after this we have their it dot first is our character and it dot second their frequency. So now we have to check with their frequency. We cannot check with their character. Okay, so that's why we have to check with their frequency, and if their frequency mod frequency mod 2 is equal to 0, then we have to uh, count plus 2. Okay, and so if they are odd frequency, then we have only count plus one time count and here two time count. So now intent of this code is to consider as simplified, to consider to consider simplified approach, and where even counts contribute 2 and odd count contribute 1. Okay, odd count 1 and simplified condition is count 2. Okay, so however, this logic match our code and their example test cases. And so now let's discuss their time complexity and as well as their space complexity. So I hope you understand the logic of this code, because this is a simple implementation. Okay, so the time complexity of this code is, we have a building a frequency. Build frequency is O of n time, and we have to iterate, and the iteration of this one is O of k, and with 26 time. So total time complex, this is 26 time. So total time complexity is O of n plus 26, and so O of n. So total time complexity is O of n. So now space complexity of this code is O of k. We have two frequencies, and so this is k is 26. So that's why this is O of 1 time. Okay, so I hope you understand their time complexity and space complexity as well as. So one more thing, you can use a two pointer approach, and you can use a stack, a monotonic stack for their left and right side. So I hope you understand this problem statement and their example test cases and their coding part. So thank you everyone. Thank you so much.